Thank you, dear. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashwini, create content related to lifestyle, beauty, unboxing, reviews, and all. If you like such stuff, content, be fast to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell up so that you will get notified when I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to follow me on my socials. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you content creator starter tip for beginners. So let's get right into the video. In initial stage, while we are starting to think about creating content and how to start and all, it will be a lot of fuss if you are scrolling here and there, but you don't know what to do. Then don't worry, this video will really help you. So watch till the end. In this video, I will share you everything which you need to start as a content creator. So I'm sharing with you a starter kit essentials so that it will be helpful for you. First one is really very important. To film any kind of video, we need a device to record that particular video, right? For that, you can go with either your mobile phone, maybe a cam. If you're having a budget, you can go for any small cam with which you can record the video. I will recommend you to go with your mobile phone as every single person have their own mobile phone. So you can just use your phone in case if it is having an option for filming 4K, it's a Goldman. You can just film that and edit it and upload it. So you can just go with your phone, or maybe if you can having a more budget, you can go with the camera. So this is really very important for filming any kind of video. Second one is a tripod stand or a phone stand. So there are so many stands available in the market. According to your budget, start using only single stand. I bought only one stand which I'm currently using. It has a ring light also, and also which has a mobile holder along with a tripod stand. Before I used to use a mobile stand as well. It is like a selfie stick kind of thing. You can use that one as well. So it's all totally up to you. You can go and use a mobile stand or maybe a selfie stick stand with a tripod standing thing in the, or maybe a tripod stand which is totally stable, or maybe tripod stand along with a ring light so that it will be convenient for you as. Usually, I sometimes use it to keep my mobile in cardboard as well. And also, sometimes I used to pile up all the courier boxes and keep on the top. I used to be really very scared. I don't know when my mobile will fall or something will happen to it. And sometimes now I used to do gimmicks as well by holding it with one hand and doing product shots and all with my other hand. It's a lot of struggle. So I know initially how much hard it is. But anyway, we have to do it. And also sometimes I use my mobile holder thing to take some product shots and all. That is really cheap if you can't afford a drink stand and all. Initially, if you want to focus only on the product shots and all, you can go with that. It's really affordable. It's under 100 rupees only. Maybe while you're filming if you're using some random like a cardboard or something, maybe your mobile or maybe your cam is falling downwards, it will be a huge loss for you. Instead of that, invest in a decent stand with which you can film good quality content by keeping on the stand for the stability purpose. Third one is lighting. Lighting is really very important. Initially, when I started, I used to film inside the house. So, when I'm using the ring light, also face used to look really like messy and all. I will be attaching you the old photo and also the current one. See the difference, how different it looks. I mostly prefer the natural light. I sit near a window so that I'll getting a lot of natural light and I'll look to benefit as well. I mostly tell you guys to film only in the daytime rather than the nighttime. In daytime, then we'll be getting lot of natural light and it will enhance you also. If you want to invest in a good tripod lighting and all, start with the basic one. It is enough. If you're having lot of budget, you can add like background lights, maybe some key lights, these are that. But I will suggest you guys to go with the natural lights also. You can save your money as well. Next one is good audio. So for that, we can either go with our mobile phone also, but it will not be that much good and it will not capture all that audio quality and all. So initially when I started, I used to use earphones and all to record the voiceovers and all whatever I used to do. And after that, I used to record with my Bluetooth sometimes, and it will also work greatly. And currently, I'm using this Caller Mac. It's Boya M1. It works really nice. It's budget friendly as well. You can go with this. It is really very affordable. It's under 1K only. You can go with this, and it will be a game changer with your audio and all. But now it will not eliminate in every kind of sound and all. You have to eliminate the background noises and all by yourself at the time of editing. But this one is really good. Having more budget, you can go with any kind of mics and all as well. Fifth one is editing apps. Editing plays really major key role when you are trying to become a content creator. Initially, while starting now, you don't need to keep lot of like efforts and all. Just make it simple, clean, and neat. You need good quality content. At the time of editing, now try to remove all the background noises and all to eliminate that fuss and all in the video, which distracts a lot. Editing plays really major key role, like to adjust the frames, to adjust your audio quality, adjust the sounds, or maybe adding some sound effects and all. Everything plays major role at the time of editing. You can edit with so many apps. If you're using your mobile phone, you can use KineMaster and also CapCut, InShot, and also you can if it is short content, you can go with Instagram. Also, you can edit there as well. If you are using a laptop or maybe system, you can go with Premiere Pro or maybe some other applications which are available. There are few free applications as well and few are paid. So choose it accordingly and wisely which you can afford. Initial stage, I would suggest you to go with how much free stuff is available to you, access to them and make them as a revenue generating stuff. These are all the essentials which you really need as a beginner content creator. I use the same method while I am filming the content and all. So if you also want to start content creation journey, try to implement this stuff. Thank you very much, Kuri, for staying till the end, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do so, then do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. If you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all my socials. Foodies, if you don't come doing birthday series, then you're missing a lot. Go and check out the previous video and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Okay, bye. Take care. See you in the next video.